following trends does not get things moving in communities, but making sound decisions do. And I just hope everybody make that sound decision.
So I feel like this, with us even, feeling some type of way based upon, because everybody's upset because so many people are feeling like, oh, she's a woman. She's not black enough, or she's not black. She's this. And it's like, listen, and I've been stressing this. I'm like, what do you all want? Because all of the bickering, and I think that's what a lot of people want us to do, is to keep fighting each other. And then we just say, oh, well, F it, I'm not voting. And then it's like we do, and I agree with Auntie Deb. We have all the broken promises. We have people saying, oh, we're going to do this, we're going to do that. If we, the people that elect to put these people in, if we don't stay on their head and their neck from the local to the national, this is why things get to be where they are. We ask them to do something and we just leave it with them and say, okay, y'all gonna do it. We expect for y'all to keep your word. No, we have to stay on them. Okay, you want this to happen. You want that to happen. Keep pressing. But nobody continues to say anything because
we don't have to do that. We don't have to do that for a black candidate. I will hope
we ain't got to do that.
If we got to do that for a black candidate that understands that 400 years of slavery, that understands that black people are already.
I don't care what color you are, black or white.
I'm gonna say it again. I don't have to inform. Don't nobody have to inform me I'm black. Don't nobody have to inform me the struggles of being black. Don't nobody have to inform me that when I get pulled over by a white police, I better be careful. Don't nobody have to inform me of these things. And if I got to now run for office and be informed by black people how to be black or what a black struggle is, I think I need to second guess, do I need to be running for office? Because at the end of the day, you need to come in with a solution to what we have already seen this country plagued with. And that's discrimination and racism at its all-time high. And that's just bottom line. No, this is the difference between Democrats and Republicans. Democrats pander and Republicans speak to their base. Donald J. Trump is speaking to his base. Call him white supremacist, call him racist. He knows how to rally his base to get out and vote. We sit here and we got to appeal to everybody. Everybody got to get a little pie. No, rally your base. Who is your base? What are you going to do? Donald Trump make it clear, I'm going to cut taxes. I'm going to cut taxes. And so the billionaires know who to go to. He going to cut taxes. He's talking, I need some tangible things that you will do because you understand the struggle of a black community. But we don't want none of that because we want the inspiration and we enjoy the ride of a thrill.
No, I
give to the thrill too. Let me go make my contribution to the thrill so I can be a part of history.
Well, see, as I said to you before, and you told me that it's not really possible.